Hey Stephanie, this is Richard here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your internet inquiry on our Honda CR-V. Can't wait to show you how amazing this car is. It recently won the best small SUV in its class. So please give me a call, 205-541-2862. I'll set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll be sure to have the CR-V pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin, show you all the different options, including backup camera and Bluetooth and a whole lot more. Again, this is Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing: when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.